What's up, YouTubers? This is Eric from Eazy Computer Solutions. I made a video about the Nextbit Robin and putting the Dbrand skin on it. But, you know what? I wanted to change it up a little bit. I got my Nexus 6 and my Nexus 6P. I got all wood grain. So you know what I did? I contacted Dbrand and I ordered me some more skins so I could kind of have a universal way I have my devices. So guys, I want to give you a short video of me changing the skin on my Nextbit Robin. So get your popcorn ready and let's go. Okay guys, so this is Eric again with another video. So let's go on to commence the debranding. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm finished with the Dbrand skin and man, it looks very different, very gorgeous. Now I do still have some seams here of the mint green that's showing on the front of the and on the back in some places right here by the camera. I couldn't get it exactly, but I got it as close as I can and man, it looks real good. So this is Dbrand skin, guys. So it's with my other collection here, with my other devices. So I completed my collection here with my Dbrand skin on my Nextbit Robin. This is Eric from Eazy Computer Solutions. See you guys on the next video. Peace.